Today we're going to be talking about perimeter, area, and volume. Let's look at perimeter first. Perimeter is the distance around an object. It could be a regular object or an irregular object. A nice key word for perimeter is surrounding. We think of the perimeter as surrounding an object.
This rectangle has a length of 6 centimeters and a width of 4 centimeters. To find the perimeter, simply add all the sides. This side here also has a length of 6 centimeters, and the width on this side is also 4 centimeters. So simply add all of the sides together. Perimeter will be equal to 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4, which is 20 centimeters. There is another way to find the perimeter of this rectangle. If we notice that both of these sides are equal, we can say we need twice the length. And if we notice that these two sides are equal, we can say we need twice the width. So the perimeter of this rectangle is double the length plus double the width, which will be equal to 2 times 6 plus 2 times 4. That gives me 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 4 is 8, and 12 plus 8 is 20. So the perimeter is 20 centimeters.
Now let's look at area. The easiest way to think about area is to draw the shape on centimeter or inch grid paper and count the number of squares that cover the shape. A key word for area is covering.
This rectangle has a length of 5 centimeters and a width of 4 centimeters. Let's draw it on centimeter grid paper to find its area. We can find the area by counting all of the square centimeters. So the area of this rectangle is 20 centimeters squared. Another way of thinking of this is that the area is equal to the length times the width. The area of this rectangle is equal to length times width. The length is 5 centimeters and the width is 4 centimeters. 5 times 4 is 20 centimeters squared.
And lastly, looking at volume. Volume is applied to three-dimensional shapes. Volume can be thought of as what fits inside of the shape. So a key word for thinking about volume is filling. Volume can be thought of as what fills the shape.
To find the volume of this 3D shape, we first need to find the area of the base of the shape and then multiply it by the number of layers. We can see that this shape has got 3 layers, so once we have found the area of the base, we will multiply it by 3. To consider the base of the shape, we really need to try and get a bird's eye view about what is at the top or the bottom of the shape. This is the bird's eye view for our shape, so we can say that the area of the base of the shape, so the area of the base, is going to be equal to its length times its width. Well, the length of the shape is 4, and the width of the shape is 2. So the area of the base of the shape, 4 times 2, is equal to 8. The volume of the shape is going to be the area of the base times by the number of layers, which we can call the height of the shape. Well, we worked out that the area of the base is 8 centimeters squared, multiplied by the height of the object, which is 1, 2, 3 layers, so we multiply by 3, and we find that the volume of this shape is 24 centimeters cubed. If we were to double check this and count the blocks, we should find then that there's 24 blocks in the shape. Well, the bottom row has got 2, 4, 6, 8. The middle row has got 2, 4, 6, 8, and the top row has got 2, 4, 6, 8. So we can double check this by saying that the volume is definitely going to be 24 centimeters cubed because there are 24 blocks in the shape.